Oh.
Oh, I don't know if I can do that.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's a bit wobbly.
Oh.
Oh, they're wobbly.
They're wobbly boards and all. Look at these. Oh, shit. Original cobble path. That's cool. Leads all the way up to the church. This place, proper cool, been abandoned a long time. There was stories, excuse me just a moment, that this place was actually burnt down by accident. Someone, young lads staying here, and they were upstairs. They decided to have a little fire, and unfortunately the embers fell through the top floor into the bottom floor, causing a fire. One of the guys didn't get out, apparently. Such a shame. It isn't very well looked after. There's a lot of gravestones. Many of them you can't actually read. But we'll have a look. Just imagine this place is pretty cool at night. Cool place for an investigation. Settings here, absolutely beautiful, stunning. So this goes quite a way out. Just trying to see if I can get any kind of dates. 5th of March 1919. The Lancashire Fusiliers. Until the daybreak and the shadows flee away. Wow. Again, loved and remembered by all. Corporal E. Waite, Royal Engineers, 1916. So that's First World War. First World War. You can see that, guys. Madness. What a shame. These people are just forgotten, really. You see a lot of these graves that they're not, you know, some of them are unreadable. 1860, age 19 years old. Wow. So, Tintern Abbey is literally just over there. We've just done a quick bit of drone footage down there. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool place. Died December the 12th, 1808. Wow. Crazy. So this is proper road. Look at that. There's some really cool graves on the other side. They're stunning, it really is. Royal Garrison Artilleries, again 1917. That's World War I, guys. Wow. What a shame, it's just left like this. Unreal. 1883. So this is the church itself. Presume you'd have your holy water there. Look at that, original tiles and door, I would say. Look at that thing. Big iron hinges. What a shame. Actually still works. Currently wearing shorts. Not a great idea. So I don't know whether this would have been altar end. I presume so, yeah, by the steps. Judging by the steps. Look at that. Wow, stonework. If you imagine how old this place is, judging by the graves. So yeah, I bet it holds a story or two, this one. leading to nowhere. Wow, that looks like a fireplace. Fair play. This is excellent. What a cool place. Unfortunately ended up a bit like the Abbey and burned down. Well, it's not a massive explore, but in all fairness, it's still pretty cool. Thanks for joining us, guys. I'm going to get some shots, and if you would, give us a subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment. As always, we'll try and get a comment back if we can. Thank you very much.